Look at the beauty of New York.
I'm the beauty of New York.
It's a tugboat. The what?
I like her outfit.
Horny ram. Yes? Is this
Yeah.
where we're going? Look at the beauty of New York.
I'm the beauty of New York.
Ah, the beauty of New York. I just want to say something. People who buy I Heart New York merch, they're so lame. Like, hold on, I just gotta grab. What a cliche. Anyway, let me know in the comments if you're enjoying this series. It's honestly keeping me sane. I've been doing a lot of editing while I'm in New York. You know what? I didn't give you a proper tour of this apartment. It's my friend's place, but it's really nice. You come in, pardon my stuff over here, okay? This is the living room. Beautiful view, may I just say. Oh, it's me. Look at my reflection. That's my little table. This is the kitchen. It's absolutely gorgeous. Like, look at this counter space. Excellent, excellent. And I've showed you this before, my 24 hours in New York video. The bathroom is super cute, very clean, very nice. And then the bedroom is just like calm and chill, and also all my stuff just scattered everywhere. So yeah, so tonight I'm gonna pack most of my stuff up so it's ready to go. I'm gonna leave kind of early in the morning. Tomorrow is my last show. It's in Bethlehem, Pennsylvania. I'm excited to get back. Like, I've had an awesome time so far. I got to see one of my best friends, and I get to see her tomorrow at the show, actually. I got to hang out with Sam in New York. We all love some Sam content.
I'm the beauty of New York.
Yeah, I'm just like taking tonight to pack, but also just like be super thankful that I had this opportunity. The last show of things is always a little bit emotional because I've been touring around with certain people that I can't talk about. It's been a really, really great time. Things are gonna continue to get crazy because I'm staying with a friend in Pennsylvania who my friend in Maryland actually lived with for a while. They just bought a house. It's gonna be gorgeous. So we get to be the first guests. Friday morning, I am leaving super early because my brother's getting married this weekend. So Friday is the rehearsal dinner. So I need to get in Boston and like get ready. Saturday is the wedding and we are getting our hair and makeup done. And my makeup appointment on a Saturday is at 8 o'clock in the morning. I got a dress today, actually, in New York. I was like, oh, maybe I'll find a little boutique dress place in Soho. No, I went to the Macy's on Fifth Ave and found a dress. And it's a good dress. Let me just say that's a good dress. All right, I am so tired. I'm just gonna like get my things together so that I'm super ready in the morning to get to Pennsylvania. Probably grab some coffee on the road, get out of New York because sometimes it's really hard to do. Bye, New York. We're going to Bethlehem. Oh, little town of Bethlehem. We're going to the Wind Creek Events Center. Let's go to the PA, shall we? I need to share something. There's a Seaman Ave, a Dickman Street, and a Cummings something. So Cumming, Dickman, and Seaman. Really? Oh my god, I'm so glad that my friend is playing this show because I went to the wrong place to park and we just like drove around the building, like through a construction zone, like through, I don't even know where we are, but we finally figured it out. We got parking. All right, time to play a show. Been a day. I'm at my friend's house in Pennsylvania. I'm going to bed. Okay. What even day is it? What state am I in? I don't even know what state I'm in. I'm in a state of panic. Okay, I woke up this morning in Pennsylvania, around Allentown, I think. Where am I? Context clues. Okay, there are New York license plates around, I guess. If someone can Google Boonton, Boonton, that's where I am. I don't know what state I'm in. All right, the tour is finished. We had our last show tomorrow. No, we didn't. We had our last show. Oh my god, we had our last show yesterday. I am now booking it back to Boston. Fast as I can go. It's a 5-hour drive. I'm not mentally prepared for this because I've just been thinking about the tour. Like, gotta get through the tour. Gotta make sure that, like, everything is good for the tour. Gotta make sure that I'm packed for the tour. Haven't thought about the wedding at all and what that entails. So I'm just taking it one day at a time. I look like shit, I feel like shit, my sleep schedule is all messed up. I've got a makeup appointment at 8 o'clock in the morning on Saturday for the wedding. That's the thing that I'm not mentally prepared for, is just getting up that early. Like, cause for me, I've been going to bed consistently at like 2:30, 3 o'clock in the morning because I've been on tour. And like that's just the time you go to bed, and then you wake up late, you still get your sleep in, you're just up a lot later. I'm exhausted. Tour takes a lot out of you. I'll check in when I'm home because literally it's just highway. And like I took clips in the very first video, so if you want to see highway, go look at that video. But it's like a week later. Is it a week later? I still don't know what day it is. I am all discombobulated. The wedding was great. I'll do like a whole thing about that. I just wanna say, I have not had a chance to unpack anything, and my house is embarrassing to be in at this moment. We have a long weekend. I'll do like a whole reset video kind of day thing. But I didn't have an outro for this video. So thank you for watching. I hope you really enjoyed the series, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!